Hello friends, welcome back to Success Seeker. Friends, in this video, I will show you the books which you need to cover for the polity section for WBCS examinations. Friend, as you all know that we have already given on 16 December 2023 this year's prelims. So you all have analyzed the paper. তোমরা সবাই দেখেছো পেপারগুলো যে কেমন টাফ অথবা অ্যানালিটিক্যাল কোশ্চেন কিরকম এসেছিল। So by that you all have got an and it is trending towards UPSC. So now all of you have a question in your mind that যা পড়ছিলাম এতদিন তা কি স্যাটিসফাই করবে এখনকার যা এক্সামিনেশন আমরা দিতে যাব। According to my view, as I have experienced the UPSC and also the WBCS, it is no, because you need to study more in depth for the various subjects to get qualified for the examinations for WBCS. So today I brought for you polity sections, books which you need to study to get a good marks. I'll also bring the other subjects, that is economy, history and all. So subscribe my channel and press the bell notification so that you get the notification of my video when I upload it in my channel. পাঁচটা বই নিয়ে এসেছি যেগুলো তোমরা পড়লে তোমাদের কনসেপ্টটা ক্লিয়ার হবে। তো ফার্স্ট অফ অল, if you have to build a concept on the polity, you should also know that in UPSC there is in the syllabus it is given polity and governance, but in WBCS it is given only polity. So governance part is missing in WBCS syllabus. So only polity. For polity you can go through 5 books. For concept building, I have selected 2 books which I also used to read when I used to prepare UPSC examinations. So the 2 books, that is class 11 NCERT book, that is number 1 political theory. এটা কনসেপ্ট বিল্ডিং এর জন্য খুবই একটা ভালো বই। সিটিজেনশিপ, রাইটস, সোশ্যাল জাস্টিস, ইকুয়ালিটি, ফ্রিডম এখানে সব দেওয়া আছে। এখানে in this book given in like a story format. So this was the first book, that is political theory. The next book which I have bought for you, that is Indian Constitution at Work. That is this is also class 11 NCERT book. This book is very good. That is especially for the constitution part, which they have precisely or descriptively written how the constitution was formulated and what was the policy or what was the reason behind it to form the constitution. Here it is written. So these 2 books are for concept building. You can use it in your preparation. Actually these books are specially recommended for UPSC examinations. But as the trend is changing, I think so you also need to refer this book to get a good idea on the polity sections. Next is the textbook which you need to refer to, that is number 1 D.D. Basu's Constitution of India, Introduction to the Constitution of India. This is actually a very old edition. I used to refer it long back ago. Next is P.M. Bakshi, that is the Constitution of India. Actually this book is actually BR Act, means the act, different cases here it is referred to regarding the Constitution of India. So actually these are very in details which is written. First you have to read this and you can refer this book. P.M. Bakshi is a very vast book which gives details of the cases regarding different articles or provisions of the Constitution. So this you can refer as it for the mains examination. Next book which is very important and it is liked by all, and first book which we all first buy for any civil service examination, that is UPSC or WBCS. That is M. Lakshmikant. This is a book which is very written in a lucid manner and in a note format. So according to my standpoint or view, this is the only book you have to refer it many times or multiple times you have to read, and the rest books you can refer it once, or after reading this book also you can refer, or when you are writing for the mains examinations descriptive paper you can refer that when you are writing the questions. So these are the 5 books which you need to study for polity sections, especially WBCS examinations. So this is all for the polity section. I hope this will be very beneficial for you all. সব সাবজেক্টের আলাদা আলাদা করে ভিডিও করে দেবো, যেগুলো নাকি তোমাদের খুব সুবিধা করবে প্রিপারেশনের জন্য। So this is all. So you have got the benefit. Please subscribe my video. সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিও সবাই অবশ্যই। আমি সব ভিডিওগুলো নিয়ে আসবো যাতে তোমাদের খুব হেল্প হয়। So thank you.